Lynx AMR is a tugger AMR responsible for transporting rolling racks equipped with a lifting platform along the heavy pump assembly line. With a total of 6 workstations, each worker performs assembly and testing tasks at their respective workstation. These tasks encompass a range of activities, from precision assembly of components to rigorous testing procedures, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards of functionality and reliability. Utilizing the same workstations as charging locations, this solution features an intelligent charging strategy that allows for opportunistic charging at specified times or during idle periods. Each workstation is equipped with a corresponding button box, and upon task completion, workers press the button to enable Lynx AMR to shuttle under the rolling rack, reach the designated workstation and deliver the rolling rack to the next workstation using a raised towing bar. As Lynx shuttles and transports within the production line, workers assemble according to the requirements of each station, establishing a production line composed of AMRs. After the completion of the entire assembly process, Lynx transports the rolling racks containing finished water pumps to the roller conveyor line. Leveraging its inherent high-precision docking capability, Lynx securely delivers the finished water pumps to the paint room. Upon task completion, the AMR will return to its original position and stand by, ready for the next task.